Despite the current overheating of the US stock market triggered by AI, also the recession talk looming in the background, I'm actually setting my eyes to do some stock investment in the very near future. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Our mission is to share our knowledge to help more retail traders. If you like what we do, please do consider to subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. So the particular stocks that I'm looking to invest are gold mining stocks. Let me explain to you why. Alright, this is my good friend's website marketmakeclear.com, and this is the AI seasonal data. So you can see a couple of lines here. The yellow line is the current year price action. Orange line is the 20 years seasonal behavior on gold, and the purple line is the pre-election, because this year is a pre-election year. You can see in June, we usually dip a little bit or consolidate on gold. I'll show you the current price action. It does match. But in July time, price on gold does turn around, look all the way up into October. Therefore, I'm preparing to buy gold. Let me explain to you why on the technical chart. Okay, so this is a trading view platform that I use for all trading and investing. It's a very advanced technical chart, fantastic for retail trader to use, very user friendly. But make sure you have a pro account. You can see we have a pro account here. The reason being is you get all these volume indicators, such as this one, the accumulation distribution line up today, so no delay. With delay, then you'll probably miss opportunity. It's only a matter of like around £10 a month, so $13, $12. So you know, if you don't have it, then I don't know how you're gonna do trading. So first and foremost, gold at the moment, you can see one thing I want to point out, around the 2080 is trying to break 3 times now. So back in 2020, 2022, now 2023 as well, try to break. So the more it tries to break, the more likely it's going to break. So I think price will break this time, but where's likely heading to first? Right, let's have a quick look. So currently we are at a support area, but if this support doesn't hold, I would think price will probably accelerate down to around this 1,820, 30 area, which is this area that I will be starting to accumulate. But if you're going to buy gold, say around 1,800 area, and then say, okay, I don't know how much it's going to smash through, say it's going to go to say 2,200 area, you are only making less than 20% if you're going to invest on gold. Other things that could potentially get you a much better return is to invest in gold mining stock. Let me explain to you why. Right, so we have 2 charts open. On the left hand side is still the gold future chart. So let me demonstrate something to you. Okay, when gold reached to here from the bottom, so around $1,600 to $2,000, this is a time of this is the gold miner ETF. So the ETF GTX from $20 smashed to around $36, and in my calculation that's 80% return. Okay, so that's why if you buy gold mining ETF, you'll get 80% return when gold does charge up. So if you have a bullish run like this, so 1,600 to 2,000 is around 25%. Okay, so if you buy gold, you make 25% from the previous run on that. However, if you do buy the gold miner ETF, your gain will be a lot higher. That's why I am looking to invest in gold miner. So you can already see this is the plan. I think, you know, if gold does break this support area, which is looking like it, then the gold miner ETF will be this area around $26 will be the area that I'm starting to buy, and then a breakout, I'll buy my second order, hold that around $28, and my target, if gold does break up, I will be taking some profit, obviously previous all-time high, in around 46 area, which is around 70-80% return from this potential investment on that. Okay, obviously if you like to go a bit more, take a bit more risk, you can have a look at other individual stock, which is one of them I like, KGC. The reason why I like it is another gold mining stock. I like that because it's still on a weekly uptrend, so this means it's bullish. Therefore, haven't got like a really clean area for me to start buying, so I have to collate with gold. So perhaps around the $3.7, $3.8 area I look to buy, and then if it does go back to, let's say, the previous high, $10, this should be looking at around 200% return from this, from a potential gold move. But obviously, ETF of the gold miner is a basket of stocks, so you're more diversified. Investing in one single stock, the risk is higher, but I'm happy to do that. What I'll do is usually I'll put more money into the ETF and a little bit less money on some individual stock. So that's the plan on investing on gold mining stock, because if the recession does come in, money could potentially flow into risk-off asset like gold, and I don't want to miss that. Do you plan to invest in gold in the near future as well? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.